Holy crap. What you're going to see in this video might not be much, but it did take most of the day to achieve. I did change these rear diff bushings today. There is a special tool you can buy to make this job so much easier. I thought I'd save the $100 and try and use my press. Last time I got away with it. This time they just would not budge. They ended up deforming and they weren't going anywhere. So what I did is I pushed out the center core of those bushings and then grabbed a hacksaw and cut through the side shell until I was able to push them out. But before removing them, I did measure the position of these bushings because they do set somewhat of a skew of the differential to have it in proper alignment, and it's imperative that you match that once you put the differential back. And that's the cut bushing. I did scratch the subframe somewhat, but I didn't go deeply into it. It's the risk you take when you use the hacksaw method, unfortunately. If I had the special tool, I wouldn't have damaged it, but it's very minor. One pleasant surprise today was the Lemforder and Febi subframe mount kits are actually OEM. They obviously don't make their own. They just rebox the originals and grind off the star and MB part number. So I'm very happy with that. In comparison to removing them, pushing those new ones in is very easy. So that's the two large ones installed. And the two smaller ones, I believe the smaller ones are actually oil filled. Some filthy black substance did come out of the originals when I pushed those out of the subframe before. So this is the end of today's efforts. I have mounted the diff back into the subframe, and I've touched up the numerous scratches that I've caused in this subframe after today's efforts. It should look pretty damn good once it's all back together. I shall probably start installing the arms tomorrow.